Hi QAQC people, welcome to manual testing tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see about validation versus verification testing in software engineering. The differences between validation and verification testing. So verification testing is also called as static testing, but validation testing is called as dynamic testing. So the check for developing the right product or not is the main concept in verification, but in validation we check the developed product is right or not. So that is the main difference between both of them, and we can call verification as a QA and validation as a QC. So QA is happening at each stage and QC will happen at the end of the product or end of the module. So that is the next point I have given. Each stage of the product is checked here, but the final product or each module's final stage is checked here in the validation, and bugs finding during development stage itself, and it will be resolved at the same time. But here the final product, on the final product only the bugs will be developed in validation stage. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe Testing Labs 8 Research.